Welcome back to and this guides. In today's video we are going to show you how to register your Starbucks card online. Let's begin. Now the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here at Starbucks, click on the sign up option. And from here just follow the on-screen instructions. And you're good to go. Now, registering your Starbucks card online offers several benefits that can enhance your experience as a customer. Because number one, you can earn rewards when you register your card. You can join the Starbucks Rewards program, earning stars for every purchase. Accumulating stars can lead to free drinks, food items, and other rewards. As you can see when you click in this option here, you would be able to get a free coffee in one tap away. And if you want to start earning rewards, click on the join now option or join in the app for best experience. Now, for example, if you register your card and it's lost or stolen, you can report it through your online account. Your balance can be transferred to a new card, protecting your funds. Now, the thing is, registering your Starbucks card online is very easy and a straightforward thing to do, because once you are logged into your account, all you have to do is hover down to the upper right corner of your account and click on card management. And it's a very easy thing to do, because from here all you have to do is click on the add card right here, and you need to enter the Starbucks card number. And of course, the security code. Now, for example, if you make this a primary card, all you have to do is click on this option right here. You can pay, you can add, and you can even transfer a balance. You can also add a card here. And once you've done that, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're all set. Now, if by any chance you encounter any problems adding or registering your Starbucks card online, you might want to go here instead. This is the Starbucks Contact Us option. These are the channels where you can contact them, the email account, the phone numbers, of course, and other options that you can have. And from here, when you click on the email, tell them you are having problems registering your Starbucks card online, and you've done all of the troubleshooting steps that you did, and try to explain as detailed as you can about your situation. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.